going to pack this order up. So I take the rosette and I fold the streamers. I don't flip them over top, I fold them under. And the reason I do that is so that the print stays on the outside and nothing is rubbing up against it. So if you do it this way, then you're putting that print all the way across the top of the rosette. And if the box shifts or the rosettes slip and slide in there, they're gonna scratch this printing all up and they're not gonna be as nice when you open them, potentially. I mean, you might have the angels of the shipping fortress on your side and not have any issues, but it can happen. So I have started folding the streamers back up under the top, over, and then I just put it in the box. This box is a 12-inch box. That rosette head is 10 inches. And because these streamers are hitting the box a little bit, I'm going to hold them put this down carefully. I'm gonna put these streamers kind of out of the way. I'm gonna put another tissue on top to protect all the glorious sparkle. Then I'm gonna put the second rosette, which is this one. I'm gonna do the same thing, push the streamers back gently. I'm not creasing them. So when they get unpacked, this isn't gonna be creased. Then, because these streamers are still loose and I don't wanna smash them, I'm actually gonna lift them up, put this rosette underneath, and then I can lay those on top. And there's enough cushion that's gonna push them back a little bit so they're not up against the box. And then I'm gonna add another tissue underneath the streamers to just kind of protect the head and again prevent them from scratching the ribbon. And then that's all. At the top of it, I have a couple more things to put on the top, but I'm gonna have a little bit of space. So what I'm gonna do is add these air pillows, and I use this sealed air product. And I like this because you can reuse them. They have a little straw pouch where you can put a straw in here and inflate or deflate yourself, which I really like. So I'm just gonna put some air pillows on the top before I seal it all up. And then when the recipient gets this box, they're gonna open it and pull out the rosettes, and they're going to be just as beautiful as when I put them in.